A coronavirus vaccine will not be possible till at least next year, government officials told the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology on Friday. This comes after the ICMR raised eyebrows when a communication to Bharat Biotech was leaked, which asked the lab to speed up trials so that a vaccine is ready by August 15th. The country's top clinical research agency later clarified that the letter was meant to cut unnecessary red tape. The Congress and BSP has demanded judicial probe monitored by sitting Supreme Court judge into entire episode involving gangster Vikas Dubey. Shortly after the encounter, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah tweeted saying, "Dead men tell no tales," suggesting Vikas Dubey could have put many politicians in the dock had he lived. TMC's Mahua Moitra, meanwhile, tweeted that the only thing killed in Yogi Adityanath's Jungle Raj was justice. A 10-day lockdown will be imposed in Pune, neighbouring Pimpri Chinchwad and a few other parts of the district from July 13th in an effort to arrest the spread of COVID-19. The lockdown will come into force from midnight of July 13th and end on July 23rd. The district reported a record spike of 1,803 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday. The total cases is 34,399 and the death toll here is 978. A former woman employee of the UAE consulate, who is a key suspect in the gold smuggling bid through diplomatic baggage, has been booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, the NIA informed the Kerala High Court. The counsel for the centre made this submission while opposing the anticipatory bail application of absconding Swapna Suresh. NIA believes she was involved in arranging diplomatic papers for the smuggling of the gold seized by the customs recently. Hyderabad has emerged as the second worst hit city by coronavirus, surpassing even Delhi and Mumbai with 23,948 cases. Cities like Thane, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Pune were among places with the highest COVID-19 cases in the country. Meanwhile, India's cases inch closer to 8 lakhs even as the government denies community transmission. The government said on Friday it was suspending the release of headline industrial output numbers for May, part of a more than 2 months lockdown imposed to combat the coronavirus pandemic due to inadequate data collection. Most industrial businesses were not operating from March onwards, a statement released by the Ministry of Statistics said.